So in this video we're going to talk about variables in Python. So variables are basically containers to store data values. So they can be considered as a container, and inside that we can store data. Now in Python, to declare a variable we do not need to use any kind of commands. We can directly assign value to one variable, and here the x is the name of this container and we are storing 5 in that container. And also in Python we do not need to specify the type of the variable. Python will automatically decide the type based on the assignment value. So here in this case x will be automatically one integer type, and also we can update the value of this x. So we can assign one new value, like an example we can assign this name which is a string. So and in that case the value and the type of the variable will be automatically updated. Now while creating the variables there are some rules that we need to follow. So the variable names can contain letters, numbers or even underscores, but we cannot start a variable name with a number, like an example like 0 games. So here the variable name should not start with a number, but it can start with characters or even underscores. So we should not do it like that. Instead we can start a variable name with characters, or even we can start with underscores like underscore games. And also variable names are case sensitive. That means one capital X and a small x variable name will be two different variables. Now in Python we can assign multiple variables in a single line. Like an example, suppose we have variables a, b and c. So we can assign 3 of these variables in a single line, like 1, 2 and 3. So the variable a will have the value 1, variable b will have the value 2 and variable c will have value 3. So in Python it is not mandatory to specify the type of the variable, but we can use casting to specify the type. Like an example, we can create one variable name of string type. So in that case we can use str, and inside that we can pass the variable value like John. So here in this case we are using the string casting. Similarly also we can use integer casting. So inside that integer we can pass one value. And also in Python we can use the type hint, although this is just optional, but we can use that. Like an example, whenever we create one variable we can also use the type hint. Like an example, here we are creating one variable with the type of integer. And also we can create one variable name, and here we can use the type hint of string, and we can assign one value to that variable. So we can either use type hint or casting. In both of the cases, both of these are optional, they are not mandatory. And also if we wanted to find out type of one variable, in that case we can use the type function, and inside that we can pass the name of the variable. Like an example, we can pass the variable name and it will return the type of that variable. In that case it will return string. So hope you understand about variables in Python, how we can create them, how we can update them, and also rule of the variables, about variable casting and type hinting. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.